Hello, welcome to Life in Pig Row, and today I'm going to show you how to make your pumpkin seeds from all those pumpkins you've been carving into something tasty and edible and snackish. In this pan I have a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of butter, a small teaspoon of cinnamon, allspice and nutmeg. As you can see, I'm melting it all down together. In here I have pumpkin seeds that have been taken from a pumpkin. I've washed all the pith off them, as you can see, and I've allowed them to drain for about half an hour until they're relatively dry. You add the seed to the mix. And make sure they're well and truly coated. When coated with the mix, transfer to a baking tray. Spread across the baking tray and put in the oven at 149 Celsius for 15 minutes. I recommend during the 15 minutes that you turn them quite regularly, just turn the tray around, make sure they're not sticking to the tray as well. That way they'll get evenly coated and evenly cooked. After 15 minutes, you have this. A nice little snack to have on Halloween whilst watching a scary movie. That's it from Life on Pig Row. If you like what we do, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a spooky Halloween.